Hello everyone, this is Archana and I welcome you all to this Meditation for Better Health virtual platform. Big congratulations, and I'm so thrilled to announce that tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. IST we are going to have this webinar where the doctor will be guiding us that those who are beginners in the field of meditation and those who are unable to continue their meditation due to some reason or the other, how can they continue it? Meditation is something which is preposterous. The importance of meditation is simply preposterous to mention. Everybody have been knowing the importance of it, but the unfortunate aspect of meditation is that there are hardly people who practice it. So if you do not practice meditation, obviously it will be difficult for us to actually experience the importance of meditation and how does it impact our day to day life. Our life, the overall life, is transformed through meditation. So meditation is such one amazing tool through which we can work for the betterment of our health disasters are happening, we are aware of it, but how to prevent those health hazards through meditation, the doctors and the team is going to guide us. So stay tuned to be the part of this brilliant initiative that the doctors are likely to take. Dr. Shrivas is likely to take because he has huge experience of 20 years. At a very young age, he started meditation, and he has been very persistent and constant in meditation practice. And he himself has experienced the major transformation, major shift in his personality. So that is why he thought of taking this lead of meditation for better health initiative through this virtual platform to educate people on meditation, to guide people on meditation. And the guidance which he is going to offer us is not going to be too lengthy. He is going to guide us for meditation for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and how to remain persistent. And he has evolved multiple innovative techniques for the audience to remain active for the path of meditation. So we have multiple innovative tools and techniques through which we can go for follow up for those who are unable to practice meditation due to some reason or the other. So preposterous to say that obviously the scriptures are precisely all the Indian scriptures are focusing on meditation a lot, be it Ganapatya Tharvashirs, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Sahasranam, and other scriptures have been thriving much upon meditation. So why not to practice it in day-to-day life, and why not to make it small, crisp, and powerful? So stay tuned to be with us. We will be guiding you, and we'll be taking you to an amazing meditation techniques, along with going for a follow-up that how can we be persistent and consistent in this behalf. So thank you so much for be the part of this journey, and we'll be waiting for all of you tomorrow. Thank you.